My name is Paulina, and I work in a bank daily. How did your trading adventure begin? My boyfriend told me initially that there is something called FOREX. You can sell currencies and buy currencies. A friend of mine told me about a website where you can learn more about it online. Basics, theory. And so I started reading and got interested in it. It's a cool option. I like finance. It was also related to my studies. So I started learning the theory a little bit. And that's where it ended for the beginning. What changed when you started working with us? It started with the fact that I already went through the whole program and wanted to start on the chart. I said I have some understanding, I know the basics, so I'll start placing orders. And I entered the chart. I looked at it for 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days, and nothing happened. I still didn't know what was going on there. And so it went on and on. There were take profits and stop losses, but I didn't know what was going on at all. So at first I started watching live streams on YouTube. Different people had live streams there. I found this guy who lived in America and also did live streams. And I started watching them. And it made sense when he showed how everything looked. But I still didn't see the chart. I still didn't know what to do when I sat in front of the chart. Then my friend's uncle told me about this program because he also participates. So my friend and I decided it looked cool, the whole mentoring thing. He told us roughly what it looked like and what he learned there, even showed us strategies, and showed us how everything looked. And then I think he wrote to Pawel about how to sign up, because at first we thought it was only possible from September, that the group had already started, so we had to wait. But then Pawel told us about this meeting, and we joined the meeting, and at first there were a few questions about whether it made sense. Because, it's a year, but after that meeting with Pawel, it clarified things for us a bit. What are your feelings after 10 months of working with us? Very positive. Overall, when I see the chart, I know more and I know what to do. In the beginning, the strategy was PSND, then there was the reaction zone DML. Very cool strategies. But then I got to PAC, and once I learned those strategies, I stayed with them. And of course, it's not 100%, but I like it, and I like how Pawel explains it. And we have this channel where we can always send our plays. Someone will help, someone will ask. You can also read what others write, so very, very positively. How much time do you spend trading during the day? I'm lucky enough to have adjusted my work hours a bit to trading. Because I've moved now, I work from home, so I work for 4 hours in the morning, then I have the afternoon off. I also tried doing something in the morning, but it worked best for me to do those 4 hours a week in the beginning. I also did it on weekends on Market Replay, but now I've decided that it's better for me to just do Monday to Friday and have weekends for myself. Is it possible for a completely inexperienced person to become a trader and make money? I don't have a lot of experience either, but I think it's possible. Consistency is very important here. If someone puts in the effort and knows for sure that they want this and not just look at the money, but just believes that it's something they like, because often the situations on the chart can discourage us. But you have to like it. If someone has consistency and sticks to the rules, I think it's possible. What would you say to a new person from your experience? As I mentioned earlier, sticking to the rules is important because you can play, you can have beginner's luck and things may go well, but without those rules, everything will fall apart. Not changing stop losses is probably the main point, and also focusing on the strategies that you like and understand. Because, not every strategy is for everyone, but if something doesn't work, just find a strategy you like and test it. And if it works, share it. That's why I think mentoring is cool, because it's not just for one group of people. Everyone can find something for themselves, and everyone will be able to take something away from it. Why did you decide to come to the live trading camp? Overall, because I haven't been trading for a long time and I don't know many people who participate in trading, it motivated me to be able to meet people who do what I do. Maybe find some advice, see what others are doing, how their adventure looked. And I wanted to put that cherry on top, to put everything together, to learn something new. There are a few things that we didn't have the opportunity to learn before, and try to incorporate everything I already know. And as I mentioned earlier, work on my strategy and possibly start taking it more seriously soon.